A backlink is a link that connects one website to another. A quality backlink is one from a high authority domain, preferably in your niche, that shares similar content. This kind of link is important because it sends signals to Google about your website and has a huge effect on how the website scores in Google rankings. Here are some quick tips when assessing the quality of your backlinks. 1. Verify if the website linking to you is indexed. Otherwise, it could mean that the site is being removed from the search results by Google. To check this, use the site search operator. 2. If the linking website attempts to infect its visitors with malware, you should always disavow this kind of domain on the domain level. 3. If you're uncertain whether the website origin is legitimate, look up the IP address and the DNS of the website. Sometimes the spammy website can be a part of a bigger link scheme. 4. Always be aware of the in-out linking ratio, especially when filled with money keyword anchor text. If the ratio is very high, such as there are a lot of hyperlinks in the content of the website, it is highly likely that the website is a link farm. You should regularly perform a website audit to determine the quality of your website's link profile and discover any unnatural linking pattern to your website in order to avoid being penalized by Google. The most important resource for your backlinks is your Google Search Console account, since it's the most trusted data source. Once you've looked over your backlinks pointing to your website, it's time to eliminate the bad and unnatural backlink by adding them to your disavow file. By keeping your link profile clean and your disavow file maintained, it creates the opportunity for better search rankings. For more information about this topic, check out OneLink's blog.